Welcome to Bartlett's soybean crushing plant in Cherryvale, Kansas. Today we're taking a guided tour of our state-of-the-art facility. We'll start with our bean trucks. As we enter the facility, they head north and circle around the plant towards truck receiving. We have plenty of places for trucks to keep our operations running smoothly and trucks off the highway. As the trucks pull forward, they pass by our oil, rail, and truck loadout facilities. It includes a scale underneath our rail oil cars so we can accurately weigh renewable soybean oil in each car for our customers. Next, they pass the boiler area, the cooling towers, the water treatment building, and the fire, water, and process water storage tank. The facility is equipped with a rail loop, seen here as we approach the receiving area. We have 2 truck bays, each capable of unloading 20,000 bushels per hour to get trucks unloaded and on their way quickly. The plant is equipped to store about 3 million bushels of soybeans on site. These grain silos are 140 feet tall and each can hold up to 500,000 bushels. On the other side, we have our meal loading bay for trucks and the meal rail, as well as the truck bean and rail bean unloading bays. The rail loop sits on the east side of the plant. Its design allows rail cars to load and unload quickly without interrupting the plant's other operations. Now let's look at the preparation building. This is where we crack the soybeans, aspirate and clean them to separate out the hulls, which we pelletize for our customers. We then prepare the flakes with flaking rolls to rupture the oil cells. This helps us extract the oil in the extraction building coming up next. This is the extraction building, which contains an extractor and a desolventizer toaster. We use hexane in the extractor to pull oil from the ruptured oil cells, then use steam from the desolventizer toaster to remove any hexane that's in the flakes and to provide the energy needed to begin distillation. The desolventized meal is placed in the dryer cooler to make soybean meal. Then sent back to the preparation building where we size the meal before grinding to our customers' specs. As now we're going to look at our refining PTU building. The 2 vessels you see here are our enzyme reactors, which help increase oil yield. This is our tank farm area. The tall tank with the cone-shaped bottom is our gums tank, and the tall vessel is our deodorizer. It really doesn't deodorize anything. It removes the last bit of fatty acid from the refined and bleached oil to allow its use as a food-grade product. The 2 smaller white tanks are for caustic and citric acid, which act to enhance removal of metals and neutralize oil for bleaching. In the tank farm area, we have crude tanks and fully insulated product oil tanks to maintain optimal temperature and prevent oxidation. Our cooling towers serve to remove heat from the distillation process and allow easier removal of solvent from the oil. And that brings us back to where we started. We're excited about the Cherryvale soybean processing plant and look forward to continuing strong relationships with our customers and partners.